Hey there, it's Mark. I hope you're doing well. I was packing this box. This is an item that I decided I'm going to go ahead and let go. Main reason is because I don't know if I'm ever going to get to display it. Just let it go. Let somebody else have it to display. I'm making this custom box, right? And then, I get it packed, and then I sit there and I think, you know what? Is this one of the ones that I got off of, racegrooves? I showed that I had bought a big box of a whole bunch of speed racer cars or collectibles. And it's like, is this one of the ones? And one thing leads to another. And then I decide, well, I checked the video. It's not one of the ones that was in that video. Oh yeah, I was going to throw in a race groove sticker. This was not in the video that I showed on race grooves. I don't know where I got this. Of course, I probably picked it up at a collector show or something. Don't know how much I paid. I don't believe I picked it up at retail. If it was, I'm not even sure what store it would be in. Probably something like a Toys R Us. I'm not sure. Do you have one? Jada. It was a Jada Toys release. Speed Racer. Peterbilt. They put Road Rigs diecast collection. I've seen one just like this, and it was a Pepsi. Had a Pepsi livery on there. So I'm not sure where these are sold. 1/64 scale, intended for ages 8 and up. Very cool. It's a fantastic presentation. I thought, this is cool. And so if I seen it at a collector show, that's why I picked it up. Because I was like, hey, that's very nice. It's still sealed. I didn't notice this before. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. Anyways, I'm still going to let it go. Not a whole lot of information on the package. Has Oh, I didn't even notice this before. Pullback. No, that's not it. Diecast, pullback, radio control. This is not. I do not think this is radio control. There is nothing on here indicating it says diecast. It's hard to see right here, diecast. By the way, it's kind of small print on this door right here. If I remember, I'll put a picture to zoom in there. It says fire extinguisher inside. Jada multi-piece. You have the side view mirrors. You have this chrome piece right here. This looks like it would be like an air conditioning for the rig, right? For the trailer. That's what I guess. Chrome stacks. Kind of hard to see right there. I'm not going to open it up. The person who buys this, they can decide if they want to open it up. They're going to be cat here. That's just the way it goes. You find a few pieces here and there. But look at this. Wow, look how clean that is. I've been keeping this in a plastic tub. So it's very, very nice condition. Still sealed. Stickers are still attached on the sides, both left and right. As far as the there's no dualies. I was curious about that. Can't get in there, but it's just single wheel. I think I'm pretty sure it's just single wheel. I'm going to put this on eBay. It'll be on a mr.grooves. That's this channel, and it's also my eBay account name. I let this go, and then I go and buy something else. That's how it is. And people say, well, why don't you trade? How long would it take me to find somebody who trades for this exact item, and they have something that I'm really looking for? It's just easier for me to sell it, let it go, take that money, and buy what I want. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.